Hey guys, I'm back with another mini twist tutorial, and today I'm trying a new hair that I got off a TikTok shop from Noble Hair Shop. And this hair right here is actually a great quality synthetic hair. So I've been using human hair lately, but I wanted to try to find a hair that was very affordable because the human hair could get a little bit expensive. And this right here was it. So like I said, it's a good quality synthetic, but it acts just like the human hair. And this is, I think, a 20-inch or 22-inch hair that I have here. So when you take the hair out the pack, it's usually like in layers where you could just kind of pull it apart easily. And I usually like to spray it down with water, and that makes it really easy to pull apart. So it stretches out really good. Just spray it with water, separate your little pieces. See here, it's stretched out. I just sprayed a little water on it, not too much. And then I can easily separate it and pull the pieces apart, just like with the human hair. The only difference is you don't want to dip this in hot water, but you don't even need to dip the human hair in hot water. You just move some more, spray them down, and it's fine. So the differences are so tiny that it's not even noticeable. And this hair costs way less than buying the human hair and still acts the same and still looks the same and worked out great. So I'm just separating the hair right here so I can do her twist. The pieces are like kind of small. My client has thick hair, so I actually just went ahead and braided her hair up at the roots. And I didn't add any hair into the braid part. So I just braided her hair just down just a little bit, and then I'll take the weave and add it in and just twist it right into her hair. This is the easy way to do it. So when I put the piece of weave in, I kind of roll it in just so I can make sure it's in there tight and it doesn't slide or slip out. And then once I roll it in a couple times, then I'll twist down regular. So I put two small pieces into each of her twists. You can do one piece if you want. You can make it a little bigger. It just depends on the thickness of the client's hair and how slim or thick you want the twist to be. So how many pieces you add in is up to you. It could be one, it could be two, it could be three if you're trying to add some in for extra length. So you just have to like find that groove and figure out which works for each client's hair. So probably the thinner their hair is, the more you'll have to add to get that thicker, fluffy look. But if they have thicker hair, then you don't need to add as much because their hair will be like a fill-in for it to make them thick. So it was really easy I just like pre-braided each row, and then I went in each row and then added the curly hair in. So it actually went by pretty fast. It probably took me maybe 5 hours to do this, which was pretty good timing. So I'm at the end, I'm moussing it down. I used some Shine and Jam mousse, and it was a new scent that I saw that I wanted to try. So it smells really, really good. And that is just my spray bottle with a little detangler and mostly water in it. I usually spray that on the ends of the hair to soak it down a little bit so it can have that little curl on the ends. And then I'm just cutting all the stray hairs off the bottom, making it look nice and neat and tidy and all the same length. So you want to go in and do your little extras right in here to make it look good. And I know it looked like I put a lot of mousse in there, but it wasn't that much. The bottle actually like a lot sprays out when you press the button a little bit. So you don't really need that much, but it smells so good. And I wanted to make sure I relaxed the twists real good. So putting that mousse on there just kind of relaxes them so it's not like stiff from first being done. I like when the twists get a little bit older, they start to fluff up more. It feels in at the roots, and a lot of people like it when it gets a little bit older. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share.